with regards to this particular image, and which is for the record, State's Exhibit 18, what is this an image of?
A male walking into the Target.
And that is the same male that you see earlier depicted in all the other videos we just spoke about?
Yes.
And how do you know that's Target?
Well, one, the red bump, the red blocks there, that's standard at that Target.
And this Target is located in Lee County, Florida?
Yes. Cape Coral, it's Santa Barbara.
And we see a image which is State's Exhibit 18A. What is that an image of?
That is self-checkout, male purchasing items. It is.
And that's the same male that is walking into Target from the previous frame?
Correct.
And we also see State's Exhibit 18B. What is this image of?
That's male at ATM machine there within Target.
And that's the same person that's in the previous images as well as in all the videos that we've brought in through this day?
Yes.
And he's wearing the same clothing as well?
Yes.
And you said that's an ATM machine.
Correct.
Where in Target is that?
As you're walking into that particular Target, you would take a right, and there's a customer service area there, and back around the corner. It's in the back up against the wall in the corner there.
Your Honor, at this time, the state would publish State's Exhibit 19. May we have the lights?
Okay.
And this is the overview at Target, the self-checkout?
Correct.
You could pause it. So what is this individual doing at this time?
He's removing a card from his wallet.
And that card you later find out to belong to Barry Schmalbach, which is the Discover NHL Blackhawk card?
Correct.
Okay, is that Barry Schmalbach in the video?
No.
You could continue pushing play. Please stop it for a moment. And what's happening in this frame? And for the record, this is at 1:15.
He comes back and makes a second purchase, which is why there's two on the receipt from earlier.
You can push play again. And then we see him inserting something back into it. What is he inserting?
The Discover card.
Now, this is a secondary video, which seems similar to State's Exhibits 18B. Where is this in Target?
This is, so that's the front entrance as you walk in, as I was talking about. And as you come through the doors, you make an immediate right where the customer service area is. And in the back corner there on the right, as you're looking at it, is the ATM machine.
You could push play. That's the same individual we just saw checking out?
Yes.
And he's still back in the corner with the ATM machine, is that accurate?
That is correct.
Are you able to see in this video if he's ever able to pull out money from the ATM machine?
I was not.
Can you explain how an ATM machine works?
You put a card in, put in the code, and if you have money available, it gives you money. Or you can check your balances, or
Were you able to ascertain through your investigation that he was not able to pull out cash from that machine?
I believe that was correct at that time.
And for the record, the state is republishing State's Exhibit 22, as well as State's Exhibit 18C. So I'm now showing you State's Exhibit 22, which is the Discover Black Hawk record for purchases on that particular vehicle. Or sorry, particular car, I apologize. And then you also see State's Exhibit 18, which is below it, and that's 18C. What is 18C?
That is a copy of the receipt for the transaction at Target.
And we're able to know that this is the same transaction based on the card number as well as the timestamps?
Correct.
And we also see that it's a $255 purchase, and we could see that it correlates to Target at $720 for $255.
Correct.
And that card you end up finding out belongs to Barry Schmalbach.
Yes.
Now, after this particular stop at Target, where does the defendant go next?
Publix, right next door.